You've been searching online for fully funded scholarship. If that sounds like you, this channel will give you a pathway to fully funded or partly funded scholarship. We have all kind of scholarship for undergraduates, for masters, and for PhD students. If you are one of this category, make sure you check out the list of the scholarship that we have in this channel. And I believe one or two will serve your interest.
This is UCL Global Undergraduate Scholarship Application Guidance. So in this page, you will see the UCL scholarship and how to apply to the scholarship. So I'll drop this link in the description. Make sure you check it out and understand uh, the needed criteria to apply for this program. If you're an undergraduate student, or if you are seeking undergraduate student, if you are seeking undergraduate program, so make sure you go to this link. There are questions he answered right here. You can see the frequency asked questions right here. So you can easily read up this via the link in the description. So let's go to the breakdown of this uh, global undergraduate scholarship. Okay, as you can see, we have the scholarship snapshot. The goal is to support international students from low income background, and the number of awards is up to 33 that is available. So the deadline is Monday 27th April 2023 at 5 p.m. BST. So what's the value and the benefit? The scholarship offers two main tier of funding: full support, that is 10 award, covers tuition fee, full tuition fee plus a maintenance allowance, that is the living expenses, and a fixed allowance for extra costs, that is visa fee, health surcharge, and some other things. So the tuition only, that is it covers the full and what the tuitions only. So 23 awards. So out of these 33, they have 10 for full funded, and they have 23 for partly funded. So it covers full tuition fee only. Note, of these 23, three are specifically reserved for students from India. So they prioritize Indian people by giving them three. And out of these 23, the Indian people will also be selected. So it is a high competitive scholarship. So I believe you can still apply for it and you can get approved and selected. So the duration valid for the normal duration of your undergraduate degree. So let's go to the next one. The eligibility checklist. To apply, you must meet all these criteria. The fee status, you must be classified as an overseas student for fee purposes. So the income, you must come from a low income background. So Nigeria as a country, Ghana as a country, let me say Africa as a continent, a lot of countries in Africa come from a low income background, so you can definitely apply for this. The benchmark, the UCL uses a threshold income of 42,875 pounds or less as a guide. You can still apply if your income is slightly higher, but financial needs is the main deciding factor. So financial need is the main deciding factor. So if your income is uh is more than more than this figure, so you might not be considered for the scholarship. But if your income is slightly higher than this income, then you can still apply for it. So admission, you must have submitted an admission application for a full-time undergraduate degree at UCL for the 2026-2027 intake. So you must apply for undergraduate program to qualify for this scholarship. Okay, so let's go to the next thing. So these are the step-by-step application process for this to get the scholarship. So the step one is to submit your UCL admission application. So you cannot apply for this scholarship without first applying to the what? To the university. Timing. Apply for your course well before the scholarship deadline. You do not need to hold an offer of admission to apply for this scholarship, but the admission team must have processed your application enough to give you access to the portal. So this application, you don't need to be given admission yet before you can apply for the scholarship, but there must be an indication before you can apply for the scholarship. I believe you understand that. So you need to what process your admission first, then you can apply for the scholarship, because they might be asking you to provide some details in your admission application from the scholarship. So step two, log into your portico. Once you apply for the course, you will get access to portico UCL student portal. Log in using the details provided by. So locate the admission application. Click the view button next to your active application. On the application screen, look for the funding menu at the top, then click check and apply under the funding available section. Find the selected find and select the UCL Global Undergraduate Scholarship. So these are the steps you need to follow. Then complete and submit. Fill out the form focusing on financial circumstances. Warning: if you have applied for more than one degree program, you must submit a separate scholarship application for each program. So if you are applying for more than one degree program, so you must submit a separate scholarship for each program. Submit by Monday, 27th April 2026. So you must have submitted uh, the scholarship form by Monday, 27th April 2026. So selection and results. Award are given based on financial needs. Evidence check. If you are shortlisted, UCL will contact you around mid-May 2026 to provide proof of your financial situation, e.g., your tax return or your bank statement. Financial decision. Successful candidates will be notified by 3rd June 2026. So these are the steps for you to apply successfully. It is very easy to apply. So make sure you follow the step given here at step three. So you see, locate the scholarship application so you can go here and apply for the scholarship. I will drop the link in the description. Make sure you follow through, apply, and I believe you will get approved. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will see you next time.